Nutrition is important for health, and an unhealthy diet can alter your body's metabolism, may cause weight gain or weight loss, and even may damage your internal organs like the liver and heart. Nutrition also affects the health and aging of the skin. In this video, we discuss 10 foods that can make your skin healthier. Number 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and herring are excellent sources of nutrients. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are necessary to help keep skin thick, graceful, and moisturized. In fact, an omega-3 fatty acid deficiency can cause dry skin. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish also reduce inflammation, and they can even make your skin less sensitive to the sun's harmful UV rays. Fatty fish is also a good source of vitamin E, one of the most important antioxidants for your skin. In addition, fatty fish also provide zinc, a mineral that is essential for maintaining healthy skin. Number 2. Avocados. The avocado is virtually the only fruit that contains heart-healthy monounsaturated fat. Getting enough of these fats is essential to help keep skin flexible and moist. Iced avocados are also a good source of vitamin E, which is an important antioxidant that helps protect your skin from oxidative damage. They also give protection from UV damage and reduce wrinkling of the skin. Number 3. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a great source of vitamin C and contain many of the major carotenoids, including lycopene. Because tomatoes are rich in carotenoids, they're an excellent food for maintaining a healthy skin. Beta-carotene, lutein, and lycopene have been shown to protect your skin against damage from sunlight. They may also help prevent wrinkling. Number 4. Sunflower seeds. In general, nuts and seeds are good sources of skin-boosting nutrients. Sunflower seeds are an excellent example. 1 ounce of sunflower seeds contains approximately 50% of the daily value for vitamin E, 41% of the daily value for selenium, and 14% of the daily value for zinc. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Beta-carotene is a nutrient found in plants. It functions as pre-vitamin A, which means it can be converted into vitamin A inside your body. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene. Carotenoids, like beta-carotene, help keep your skin healthy by acting as a natural sunblocker. Number 6. Bell peppers. Like sweet potatoes, bell peppers are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. They are also rich in vitamin C. This vitamin is necessary for creating the protein collagen, which keeps skin firm and strong. Number 7. Papaya. This tropical fruit contains several active enzymes such as papain, which have many health benefits. Papayas also contain healthy antioxidants known as carotenoids, particularly one type called lycopene. Not only that, but papaya also contains vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin B9, as well as minerals like potassium. So in summary, papaya is an extremely good food to maintain healthy skin. Number 8. Green tea. Green tea contains many antioxidants such as catechins, vitamin C, and vitamin E. In addition, green tea contains other nutrients like beta-carotene, folic acid, vitamin B2, and minerals like potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. So, green tea is an extremely good source of food to maintain healthy skin. Not only that, but green tea is also known to reduce the risk of diseases like high cholesterol, high blood pressure, obesity, and cancer. Number 9. Carrots. Carrots are a particularly good source of beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. They also have several health benefits. They are a weight loss-friendly food and have been shown to reduce blood cholesterol, improve eye health, and reduce the risk of cancer. Most importantly for you, it helps you gain healthy glowing skin. Number 10. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is an incredibly nutritious food containing lots of vitamins and minerals and relatively few calories. Abundant nutrients in pumpkin are vitamins like vitamin E, K, C, folate, niacin, and thiamine, minerals like iron, copper, and magnesium. It is also rich in beta-carotene and other types of antioxidants. Therefore, pumpkin is an extremely good food for healthier skin.